Hello, today we will guide you through how to transfer contacts from Gmail to Outlook. To begin, open your Gmail account in your browser and make sure you're signed in. This is where your existing contact list is stored, and the first part of the process is exporting those contacts into a file that Outlook can read. Once Gmail is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid of 9 dots. This menu gives you quick access to other Google services connected to your account. From that menu, look for Contacts and click on it. This will open the Google Contacts page where you can manage, review, and export your saved contact information. If it takes a moment to load, that's completely normal. When you're in Google Contacts, click on Export. This option allows you to download your contacts into a file format that can be moved to another platform. You'll then be asked to choose a file extension. Select the file type shown in your process and make sure you remember where the file is saved on your computer. A downloads folder is common, but it may vary depending on your browser settings. Keeping track of the file location will make the Outlook portion much easier. After the export is complete, open Microsoft Outlook. Once Outlook is on screen, go to the top left area and click People. This section is where Outlook stores and organizes contact information, separate from your email inbox and calendar. Next, click the Manage Contacts drop-down menu at the top. In that menu, choose Import. This tells Outlook that you want to bring in contact data from an outside file. Now select the contact file you exported earlier from Gmail. If needed, browse to the folder where it was saved and confirm that you've picked the correct file. Choosing the right exported file is important so Outlook can import the correct contact list. Finally, click Import to begin the transfer. Outlook will process the file and add those contacts into your People section. Depending on how many contacts you have, this may take a few moments. Once the import finishes, you can review your contacts in Outlook to confirm everything transferred successfully. If you notice missing details, it may help to repeat the export and import process carefully using the same file format you selected earlier. That's it. You've successfully moved your contacts from Gmail to Outlook.